Hello to all artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color a security guard from the TV series Squid Game. We start with the head and draw a large oval for the mask. We divide the mask into two areas and draw a horizontal line. Then we draw a second line. This one is slightly spaced apart from the first line. And then we draw two more vertical lines in the lower part of the mask. Now we draw a triangle in the upper part of the mask. Then we draw a slightly smaller triangle inside the large triangle. When you are finished, draw a hood around the guardian's mask. The hood fits tightly at the top and widens slightly towards the bottom. Next we will draw the guardian's upper body. We will draw the two sides of the chest on the left and right. Then we will draw the stomach. You can either draw a straight line or draw it slightly wavy like I did. These are the folds in the suit. Directly below that, draw two small belt loops. Then draw the belt. Next, draw two vertical lines on the upper body. Draw them exactly in the middle, from the neck down to the belt. Now draw a pocket on the right side of the chest. The pocket has a button in the middle. When you're done with that, we'll draw the guard's arms. First we'll draw the two outer sides of the arms. Try to draw them the same length. Then we'll draw the inner sides. This way we'll automatically draw the forearm, and then the upper arm. When drawing, try to draw both arms the same thickness. Finally, draw a line at the bottom of the arms. Now we can draw the two hands. Start with the left hand. First draw the thumb. Then draw the rest of the hand in simplified form. Draw the same thing mirror inverted on the right side. Start with the thumb again. Then draw the rest of the hand in simplified form. When you're done with that, we'll draw the guardian's lower body next. We'll draw the crotch with a small arc, a little bit below the belt. Then we'll extend the two middle lines from the jacket downwards, but we'll stop a little above the crotch. Next we draw the legs. First we draw the inside of the legs from the crotch. Once for the left leg and once for the right leg. Then we draw the outside of both legs. Now we draw a few creases at the bottom of the legs. When you're done with the pants, we'll draw the shoes. First, we'll draw a very simple left shoe. Then an equally simple right shoe. Finally, we draw two large pockets on the pants. We place the pockets on the outside of the pant legs. Our drawing is now complete. I hope the guard wasn't too difficult for you. In the next part of the video, I'll quickly show you how I colored in my guard. First, I colored the guardian's mask in dark gray. However, I left the large triangle white and did not color it. First, I colored the guardian's mask in dark gray. However, I left the large triangle white and did not color it. I also used the same lighter gray for the belt loops and shoes. And I colored the guard suit completely pink. But since my pink pen didn't cover very well, I ended up having to color the suit twice. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.